Blimpie. Beat the Black Friday rush with this great deal. Buy $50 in gift cards and get $15 bonus e-card. We're seeing a lot of this right now. I think it's just, a lot of people are staying home. So, you can buy gift cards, gift cards get the cash for the business right away. And then, they can figure out kind of redemption in the future. So great use, of kind of, triggering things, especially a $15 bonus, on a $50 gift card is pretty good. One thing recommend here is, as you can see, they're not using paragraph breaks. You have the bit.ly and then you have help, stop, call, and it's all like, scrunched up together here. Help, stop, call, that really deserves to be like way at the bottom of the message, so put even a couple, paragraph breaks, push it at the bottom. You could even do another paragraph break, beat the Black Friday rush with this great deal, paragraph break, buy $50 in gift cards, and then I'd do something like ... paragraph break and get a $15 bonus e-card, and then one thing that's very important for SMS marketing, like telling people how to redeem, is telling them what to do. So in this case, I understand that most likely you purchase it through that bit.ly link, but a lot of people might be like, I don't know what to do. I want this, but I don't know what to do. I would do something like, shop now, click here, or redeem here, something along those lines. So another good example of an SMS message. The previous one was an MMS message.